How are you going and I'm hungry? And let's get lock up. Yo! Yo! Everybody inside! Yo! Yo! Why are you down far? Eh? You did that minute? Yo, it's an early morning breakfast, I look. And so I see the shop lock up and figure more or less for you. Where's the lock up? The shop. Shop there, woman, yard, and that's what I'm forget you. Relaxing, relaxing, stay. It's a foreign word, you know, like change when you rock some, you don't have a visa. Set up this. So you walk on here, you go like that. Set it up, man. Set it up, man. I'm going to open the window. That's it, yeah. Come up there, I'm going up to the door. See, there you that. Mother Road. Put this on the table, too. All the time, they have beat on the place. How are you going for breakfast? Your favorite Jerk pork. Yeah. Try up on a pork, I want to you. So that's why enough use that cookie that man. So you the one never a pork. And now you want to give up them to your balls. I know. See you, you're really upset. What about the like you go to like simple you know. Stop it. Stop it right now, many people pass that area. What do you mean you don't get strength on me? Oh God, I never know you have feelings for me. What do you mean, yo? You can tell me a touch and I'm going to take some water and knock it on my front line. No, that's not what I mean, I. What do you mean, man? Look, I'm nervous, I want to I can't believe it. What's going on to me? No, what I say is that I now use what I sent for your word. And that you mean? You give up on me, word away now. Me not ask you for nothing. You weak like rat, but that's why you say me I'm pork. Before all the money when you pork, you give up. You can go and cook pork in your shop. As a matter of fact, I can answer another dollar in that. Come here, I drop me in there. You can go. Come here, man. Boy, if I have some sense of humor, you don't know how man live last time, man. If I have some sense of humor. Yeah, and I run joke with pork, right? But you practice pork indoor. You're like pork, see, you're singing now. No, but say, what's the man live in another wine? Lord Jesus! Yes, Rasta! I just swap the pork along your pork. You like that? Say pork. Just say pork. It's easy enough. Say pork. Pork. You not easy. Oh, you walk a class, maybe sometimes when you get a oil and go, and say, nah, stand them, so now she have to pick them up, sleep on the floor, because she don't have a bed in her house. I can't be saying you go back and do the girl. How will you get them argument? Everybody attack you. This man may come and see two somebody attack you, just drop a dollar kind and never find till them done chat you. No, I don't know what you're talking about. What do you mean? I thought you can't read herself. Eh? She does not like the most in the Olympic or the gymnastics. And you breathe again, they told lie, you breathe again and hide it. All right, look at it. All right, look at somebody else. You can't get the mix up. Look properly, man. Knock the doors and the windows. All right, come tell me, Jesus, come tell me. You're too fast. Fast like your mama. Fast like the fast leg in the air, you can't worry a lot. Oh, you're my man. Oh, you're my man. Yeah, so right now, I don't like tell you how this is. I'm not ask you business, but you tell me yes or no, I don't want to hear just yes or no. A 2 weeks now, I see that girl. When you mean you stay for 2 weeks, and you're not there? Every time I see that girl, the girl is a pressure eye. But say for you for money as usual, don't get nothing. I tell you, I got love money too much. People love me, who come down. Why? No, that is it. You think I'm going to love me? No, that's the breeder again. That's the person who loves to go around the bush. How much kind of money you got, see? Me no know, you try to come back and tell me. Hey, no what's in Magnum 45? How? Yo, why do you want to put pick up on that? Oh, I put pick up on you. Eh? Hey, yo, when I put pick up on you, yo, no need to yourself, man. Yo, that's it. Yeah, I bust a root until. Wait a minute. I bust a root until you come in. Allah, you have to. I'm not talking no more. So you think I go around to all you got to give them that one, anything possible? Yes. That's it. Hey, give me 2 drinks around now. Give me 2 drinks around. Don't do that. Oh, you're so nasty, man. How people name from you? You sick stomach, man. You come and stay with me, man. Just like it out, man. Me know I come back from me again. So I come sing, man. You're too nasty. People, what? How you love rum, sir? Me love rum? How rum love me? And it won't leave me an inch. People, you really have a flask of rum in your pocket and another rum from last week. Right, man, they mix up in a bang around. Make me kill it, because I know a long time. Drink the hot drink, pop. Yeah. Drink, man, you want to listen to the community. Drink. But when it's tango, it's good. A tango back to this. Yeah, man, it makes it tonic. Yeah, I'm sorry for the breakfast, man. So what are you for breakfast? Stew pork. You want the stew pork? Yeah. Some of that pork over there. Yo, put up on that pork. Me want pork. Me tell him already in the people. Me tell him already stone up with another rap. He might look super rap in here. Me never be this man in there go around. Baltimore Rasta, Baltimore Lion. You ever see lion? Yeah, ready to be eh? Lion, you meat. Lion, meat too. Hey, see here. Hey, if you come here, I'll let you put in here. Any man, I'll be a cook shop here. This is our cook shop here. Any man, come on. If your mama never did that, let's tell you about time. You see me on cook shop, what's that? Cafe. What? It's a French word, it's from France. Cafe. Oh, Richard, do your mouth so I get the pronunciation. Cafe. Coffee. Beyond food. Go to the wrong coffee. Go to the box, right? Oh, cook shop. Hey. Look, anyone come to the name of the come vegetarian. Every time you go and cook callaloo, carry callaloo. Mix up, cook some vegetable. That's not complaining. Cook some pork callaloo. Yo, Tipper. Yeah, I'll tell you again, Virgin. Let's see the part I will for pork argument. What do you mean? Sometimes I eat some vegetable, man. Veg chunks and them thing there. But I want to agree so good for you. That's the way, you know, that's the thing, you know. We say, any million, I want to go to the city all around. You want to high. Everything happens to high. Hey, you know, say, lashing on over shit. Each shit can't push one another. That's a thing, no, it's here. And the company in here now. Hey, with that set argument. Cholesterol. The main focus, send up your cholesterol. And block up the arteries cell. You mean block up your arteries? People, you can't even to that case replace the license. You know, so I have no food and I'm a birthday for my cook man. People on next stuff and things and go to the doctor. If Dr. Tipper, drunk up by the Tipper, when next stuff say nothing, I go to the doctor and tell them about it. Don't come in here, man.
You got germs. Don't come in here too hot and bright. I don't like it, man. Don't drink my hair. Come in here to that. I want to know you. I'm here to say that. I'm going to pay the man. I'm going to say, okay, get paid, son. So, you know, when you come to me, I'm going to tell you.
Hey. You're not telling a lie there. This soup is damn good, you know.
You like it?
Yes, man.
You
Yes,
like
man.
the soup is?
Yeah, man.
Everybody at top of the soup is.
Yeah, man.
Because my 4 months never been refrigerated.
Hey, keep something to love when you cook it.
Yeah, man, you love it. That's how you come out.
Yeah.
Yeah, they make a cook out. This is the whole of them go.
Yeah, man. Oh, boy. That's
You
it.
have the flowers frying.
That's right.
What kind of
It's so
Jesus. What you say? I got the food me cook, got like the one room where you have.
Oh, boy.
Okay, the black sheep and apple, you stop bump up on man. When the old shit went coming to Salahera, when the shit right down the road.
Yeah, I'm actually doing. You cook good now.
Yeah, man, I cook nice, I cook real nice. I got flour like you know one
That
time.
look like it.
It can't suck up water, you see.
I want something.
But anyway, I need it. So some is really you bring it, like I'm coming up.
Yeah. Just eat out for the whole party. Let's check it down fast.
I'm not fast.
What's the bar?
Like no. Yeah, but can use this, so. I said, floor, give me one time. So tell me, like, how really you bring me with? Me not talk to you, you have no business, nobody talk to you. Yes, but you know, it's an old beauty Santa Claus. They're saying you're the wrong country because Jamaica have no chimney. But that's what they're taking you for. What the pro? Don't put me in the pro. What up to people, you want to follow McDonald's farm? McDonald's wire. Come tell me what you three dumplings, you know I mix them up. Well then. You know, I'm in the wall then, you know, I come across the wall. I'm going to dumpling you on.
What's the man? You're getting money at home.
I'm doing my that one? Oh, my friend, they're going to put them in the airport. Put them in the airport.
Samir!
Don't touch the one, no.
Samir!
I don't want to do that. Maybe that girl that first jump from me to the road for that.
Yes.
Lee.
Come on down. Yeah? People, we don't talk to each other, son, you know. And people want something, so you have to see what because we can't hold our water.
You're talking to me?
You can't talk to me, because from the last time I get what I want, this is when I look at her again, I thought, I.
I can't want some, man. Sometimes I'm such negative people, and I don't want too much, man. You, some of them don't really need to be so one. It's just happening
Man,
once.
every single of this, me don't say the confidence. And me get up like a double push it up.